This video shows how to operate the control panel on the ABB General Purpose Drive ACS580. To operate the control panel, use left, right, up and down arrow keys to move the cursor and change values depending on the active view. Follow the guidance with context-sensitive functions showing at the bottom of the display by pressing the soft keys below the display to continue or to exit the task. The commands assigned to the soft keys vary depending on the context. Help key, marked with a question mark, shows a context-sensitive help page for guidance and diagnosing the drive's status. Switch to local or remote control mode by pressing the key marked Loc Rem. The active control mode is indicated by text Local or Remote on top of the display. In local control, the Start key and the Stop key start and stop the drive, respectively. The control panel has a status LED that indicates if there are any faults or warnings present. Continuous green light indicates that the drive is functioning normally. Flickering green light indicates that the data is transferred between the PC tool and the drive through the USB connection of the control panel. Blinking green light indicates that there is an active warning in the drive, whereas continuous red light indicates that there is an active fault in the drive. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.